There are many ways to be a part of the community at Westminster Presbyterian Church in downtown Minneapolis. From singing in the choir to attending classes and lectures, Westminster offers many ministry opportunities for people of all ages to get involved.
I've been a member of Westminster Presbyterian Church in Minneapolis for nearly 40 years, and I believe there's something here for everyone. I have found places of usefulness through different phases of my life. Starting as a young adult, as a leader in the high school youth group. I joined the Palestine Partnership Team after experiencing the Holy Land Travel Seminar. I've served as a deacon, a Sunday school teacher, and now as an elder on session. I encourage you to start slowly. Attend a Sunday education class or a social justice forum. Volunteer for the childhood or youth programming. Join a music ensemble. Whatever brings you joy, think about what fills you up. There will be a place here at Westminster where you can share your talents, use your skills, and stretch yourself in a safe, loving, and God-filled environment.
What we like about being a family at Westminster are the many opportunities for both us as a family and us as individuals to be a part of church.
Absolutely. There's so many opportunities for growth. We so appreciate all the wonderful educators, the people who volunteer, those on staff that give so much of their time and resources to teaching all ages, from us all the way down to pre-K. And it's just a wonderful place for us to gain language to talk about faith in our community and as our own little unit. What do you like about church at Westminster?
Being at Sunday school, children's church, and church camp.
Awesome.
And I just like being with my church friends.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my husband and I, we were looking for a place where we could connect and deepen our faith with God. We moved here from Oregon, and this was the place that we found, this community at Westminster. And I feel that I was able to be myself, grow my faith deeply with God, and be vulnerable and just show that I was able to serve and be connected to this community. We have found our community, and my husband and I, we know we're going to be a part of this community for a very long time. Will you join us?